everyone, welcome to Downtown Tailoring. I know you are seeing another set, right? It's because today I'm at the Doll North Convention. Hi, my name is Aida Flores, and I'm gonna be the judge for the runway project. Good, yes.
Oh, mira. Great, how are you? Good morning.
Did you need a program? You can help yourself.
Yes,
Yes,
thank
please.
you. No, it's okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Esta muñeca tiene un hoyito para ponerle. The project runway is almost starting. These are my two dolls. I just brought them because, you know, her name is Lacey Churchill, and this is my smart doll. That's my new doll. Yeah.
Really? Do you sell them?
Yes, but just for commission, not really for. Yeah.
Do you have a
Like this, this fits the smart doll. This is like this one, and then inside is your welcome.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you. I'm gonna put this on it right now.
Yeah.
Color.
Yeah, this color is so nice.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm just.
You can take two if you want. You can take two if you want.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course.
I'll give the information to my mother-in-law, and I like to sew together, so she'll have one too.
Oh yes. Okay, you're very welcome.
Gorgeous. And the hat's so cute. We got her doll North shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see? Yeah, exactly.
I'm like trying to sew for Barbie. Oh my goodness,
Okay, so I came out here just to let you know what is going inside. There is like a project runway, like a fashion, they are making a costume, and the theme is cupcake. So they are giving some materials, and with these materials they have to make something great. And I will be one of the judges.
What are you going to be looking for as a judge?
Oh, a lot of things: creativity, finishing, lines, how well or close are they to the theme, those cupcake, baking, you know. So I have to go to each one of the tables, and they will tell me in less than 2 minutes what is their concept, and then based on that I'm gonna judge their final garment. These are my two dolls. This one is the smart doll, and this one is the Lacey Churchill. She's wearing the dress for The Devil Wears Prada. And this one is a design I made for her, kind of sportive coquette. Okay, I'm gonna step outside to tell you a little bit more. So pretty much they have what they call MSD, SD, these are different sizes of dolls. Dolls like this size, dolls like this size, and the large one are like this size. So they will be separated in each category: the small, the medium, and the large dolls. And we are gonna take a winner for each category. And I was just, browsing around because still I'm not judging it still, but I was checking how they were using the elements. Basically, they are taking the cupcake liners and they are using it, of course, in the most logic. They kind of look like a little skirt, so they are using it for collar or skirts, but some of them I'm thinking different. Like they inverted just to make a different silhouette. Some of them I see that they are cutting it so it kind of rolls. So we have to see how they are doing it. They all started with the basic, which is they take satin wrap and they put the wrap around the doll so the doll don't get damaged. And some of them even they make like a cast out of that, and then they prepare the clothes that they are gonna make on this cast. Aquí porque yo le podría dar uno a cada.
Could be anything. Okay.
As I told you before, I am so proud because I just have only a few followers in my other channel. I don't have almost the 200,000 followers that I have in this channel, but still, oh, look at that, look at that. These are people going to the convention.
Thank you for the donations. I really appreciate it.
It's going well. I'm seeing all those creativity flowing around. Creativity is in the air.
Oh, that's my class.
30 minutes left. Now they are rushing up to finish it. Wow. A clown. Oh, wow. They are amazing. To me, it takes all of it. It takes like 3 hours or 4 hours. They do it so fast. And do you know what? I always love to see all those shows, baking competition, runway fashion project. So I'm kind of in both of them at the same time.
This is Alexandra. She's going to be judging along with you.
Oh, hi.
So we cleaned off this table. If we can have all of the hard mode contestants here on the left side.
Actually, I don't know where I'm going to put her. Get knocked off, yes.
Our second judge is Sewphisticated DIY. She is a TikTok content creator who has recently branched out to the doll community as she started being a seamstress for humans first and slowly went down to dolls, finding it easier to explain to people. But she kind of just became one of us in the process, and she got her first smart doll just this past week, I believe.
Yes.
And before that, she had a so she fell into this knowing not very much and is taking this all in. So if we can all be very welcoming to her, because she is very, very new to the doll community as a whole. But her clothing is impeccable. If you want to check out her stuff on TikTok, it's sew.sophisticated or sewphisticated.diy. Absolutely amazing. She shows like quick process of how she does things, and I love it because it seems easy to follow, and it makes me feel more confident in my ability to make things. And I really hope that one day she starts taking commissions, because her stuff is literally just looks like shrunken human clothes. So that's our two judges for this year. If we can give them a round of applause and a thank you.
So this is amazing as well. Very nice. Yes. Which one will be for you the best? Fantastic.
Cute, right? Isn't it cute?
I know. That's what I was like.
Yeah.
All right, so for hard mode, the judges have decided on
Yes.
the
This.
flight. For the YoSD size, the judges have decided on
This one.
the poopies. For MSD size, the judges have decided on
This.
For junior, the judges have decided on, I believe it was Bruna's. And best overall, the judges have decided on. Simple, but it's so detailed.
Thank you.
I really love it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Do you have those?
Yeah, I do. Thank you.
Oh, you don't. Thank you.
Yeah, very creative how you did the flowers and everything. Huh? Wow, stunning.
Very last minute the first time here.
I'm gonna use it.
So much for coming. I
Oh,
hope
thank
you're
you.
having a good
Oh,
time.
yes, I am. I was the whole morning here with the dog park. So I should have come yesterday, but I was working. Probably next year I will be a little bit more organized. They are talking about script writing. This is so interesting for the ones that are interested in making manga or anime. You know, this is very nice. So we just finished eating, and that's a wrap. It's all done. So I'm gonna go back to Ottawa. Bye.